Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Quay to near Stillwater to 3 miles southeast of Marshall, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Cushing, Perkins, Lakeston, Yale, Tryon, Ripley, Agra, Quay, Marshall, Mohall, Orlando, Lake Carl Blackwell, Quay and Ingalls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Perkins, Lakeston, Yale, Tryon, Ripley, Agra, Quay, Marshall, Mohall, Orlando, Lake Carl Blackwell, Quay and Ingalls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.